I want to share with you a really easy appetizer that we love to take to someone's home when we're invited over and need to bring something with us. It's a food that everyone seems to love, and it's so simple. It's jalapeno cream cheese poppers is what we call them. It includes jalapenos, they're whole, we'll cut them in half, cream cheese, and then something just to make it look good on top. We normally put paprika, but you could include cayenne or chili powder. That's a great place to experiment and have fun with what you might put on top. So what do? First of all, I've opened this can of jalapenos and I wanted you to see what's inside. If you've never had jalapenos like this before, there are a lot of carrots normally inside. These are pickled whole jalapenos. What I'm going to do is take them out. And what makes them not so hot is that we take the seeds out. So I'm not gonna make a lot today since we're not going to visit anyone today. This is really just to show you how to do this, is take out about 4 of them. And I was just thinking, these carrots could be something fun to make for a chicken dinner or something, so experiment with these things if you like to experiment with cooking. I cut off the top stem, and then I cut them in half, and then I just take the seeds out and I put them in a bowl. And really, it's as easy as that. Okay, so now how simple is this? I just put the jalapenos on the plate, and I have let this cream cheese soften a little bit so that I can make it a little bit more pliable and molded to the jalapeno. And I bet you, if you're a little bit more adventuresome than I have been, you could take this and really make it pretty with some kind of cake decorating tool. Just never tried it. This is about quick and easy for us. So we normally make a platter full of these to take to a party, and I have to tell you, they're normally one of the first appetizers to go because people love them. We normally also use paprika because we don't know how much people like hot, but you can see just adding the little bit of paprika just gives it a little color. One thing you could do is do this on another plate and then move it over to your final plate if you don't want the paprika to be on your serving piece. But how easy is that? These are one of my favorite dishes. Okay, they're a little fattening, but we love them. Hope you enjoy these. Have fun making them. Perfect.